In this video, I am going to show you how to post traveling status in Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on what's on your mind, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now from here, you very simply have to tap on feelings activity. Now over here, you have to tap on activities, then tap on traveling to. Once you tap on traveling to, you will see all sorts of locations that you might travel to according to Facebook. But if you want to travel to a different country or a specific location that is not being shown over here, you can very easily tap on the search bar and simply search for your location. Now for example, I am traveling to Fort View Food Street, so I simply have to tap on that, and as you can see at the top of my post, it is written that Hadi Khan is traveling to Fort View Food Street. Now there is a bunch of other things that you can add as a reference on this post. So for example, you can tap on what's on your mind and write a caption that describes your feelings or emotions or simply what you want to write with this post. If you want to add a picture or other stuff, you very simply have to tap on the photo icon which is present above your keyboard and then add a photo for your post. So once you're done, you very simply have to tap on post which is present at the top right corner of your screen, and you will be able to easily post a traveling status in Facebook. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.